It's not yet time to travel. Don't listen to anybody. Stay where you are. Manage yourself.
Okay, sir.
You next time. They will use you this, they will use you that, they will do. You will regret it.
Okay, sir.
Do not be desperate. Do not be desperate. So you will not fall in a wrong hand. And at the end of it, you find out that you are going nowhere. Relax for a moment, because I'm seeing a turning point coming into your family. Listen, if this turning point come, it may push you to enter back to school. Your own brother.
Yes.
Huh?
It's already happening.
Celebrate life. So being desperate to listen to them, you see yourself as an actress. No, God has never approved that. But the passion is in you, the thought in you, everything in you, they connect, live. You will be deceived.
Okay, sir.
You see that as Sabbath. Forget about it.
Okay, sir.
Look at you planning to go to Asaba here in Delta. Forget about it. Don't leave that child behind.
Okay, sir.
Because if you do make that move, that man that God has blessed in your family will never forgive you. And you come back empty and come back with problem. Who do you think that you want to go to Asaba?
He's a friend.
Your deceived friend too. God bless you. God bless you. Go.